In this video, I will show you how to connect or disconnect your Higgsfield MCP to Claude AI. Go to the left side and click on the Customize icon here. Next, click on Connectors, and then look for the plus icon here. Select that and choose Add Custom Connector. A new menu will pop up. Type Higgsfield MCP under the Name tab. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Search and type Higgsfield MCP. Select the first option here. You will want to copy this second box where the Higgsfield MCP URL is located. Now go back to Claude AI and paste the URL in the second tab here. Leave the optional tabs empty and click on the Add button. Click on Connect. Proceed to log into your Higgsfield account if you haven't already. You will then get this authorization page where you just need to click on the Allow button to let Claude AI use Higgsfield MCP. Once connected, you can now customize what Claude AI can utilize from Higgsfield here. If you want to disconnect Higgsfield MCP, just click on the Disconnect button up top, and it will automatically be taken off. Thanks for watching.